So we just released a game changer app for dropshipping. It's called Kopy Pages. If you look at this product page on Shopify, it looks terrible. However, with Kopy Pages, in one click, you can generate these kind of product pages. Have a look. Have benefits, a nice title, social proof, more social proof, shipping information and return policies generated for you. Of course, you can change it as you like. And columns automatically generated for you with AI. And more social proof, which is really important for when you're selling products online. And yeah, the buttons work. So how did I do this? Well, with Kopy Pages. It's a new feature we just released this week for everybody to use. You can start for free. We offer a 3-day free trial, and if you're looking at this video, I don't know until when we'll offer it, but if you use the coupon code PAGES at checkout, you can get a 50% off for the first month to try it out, if you're happy with it. So yeah, if you're not using this right now to test more products faster than before, you're missing out. How do we use this feature? It's really easy. Let me show you how it works. So basically, as you can see, I had this product I found on AliExpress now for Halloween season. It's a really funny product that I found on TikTok. And basically I copied the link from AliExpress. I came here to Kopy Pages. By the way, you need to have the Kopy Plus subscription, which is also included for free on your 3-day free trial. And you just go here, paste the link, click create product page, and it will just create the product page you saw in seconds. It's really useful for dropshipping nowadays. If you're building everything manually, you're missing out on a lot of money because your competitors are probably using this tool. So yeah, I really suggest you to try it out, guys. And let's wait a little bit so you can actually see that it works. And it also works with all these platforms: Shopify, AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, Etsy, Amazon, Alibaba, Shein, and Temu. So you can import products from all these platforms. Just paste it here, select the language that you want your product page on, and here you can just add a product angle, which is basically the benefits of the product. If you want to create a custom prompt, it will be focused on what you tell the AI to do. But I usually just leave it on default. It's just in case if it gives some issues, you can try it out. And as you can see here on view product page, well, you will see a very similar product page as the one generated here. So now it's up to you to try it out and launch products faster than before. Enjoy.